There's one moment in every dental implant consultation that'll make or break your ability to close the case, and most TCs walk right past it. Here's what happens. Your patient just spent 15 minutes with the doctor. They heard words like bone loss, extractions, all on X, so their mind is spinning. And then the doctor walks out, and you feel pressured to transition to finances. But this is what elite treatment coordinators do instead. They pause, they lean in, and they ask something calmly. That was a lot of information. I'm curious, how are you feeling about everything Dr. Smith just shared? It seems simple, but most people don't ask that exact question at that exact moment. This works because people don't make big buying decisions from information, they make them from emotion. And at that moment, your patient is likely very overwhelmed. They need time to process it, even if they don't say it. Now, here's the mistake that most TCs make. At the end of the consultation, they assume the concern is just about money, but oftentimes it's not. It might be fear of the procedure. It might be doubt. It might be uncertainty about the timeline or whether they're even ready to invest in themselves at all. Maybe they should use the money for something else. And if you move forward while they're still processing all of that, they'll shut down and revert to the safest objection in the world. I need to think about it. But if you give them the emotional space to really unpack what they've just heard without pressure, they'll often open the door to what's really holding them back. It just sounds like a lot. I'm scared of the surgery. I didn't expect it to cost that much. And once they say it, well, you can work with that. Here's the key. You cannot address what you haven't uncovered. So next time the doctor leaves, don't default to money, default to curiosity and help them unpack what they've just heard. How are you feeling about everything he just shared? And then go silent. Let them talk, let the tension breathe. If you give them a safe space to process, you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to guide them into the next phase. So don't skip this part. Full Arch Doctors, TCs. Like, follow, or subscribe for more tips on closing high-value full arch cases.